Hi, I'm Kaylee and you are watching Analytics in Minutes. In this video series, you'll learn how to gather expert-level insights in minutes using GA4. Starting with answering the question, where do my best customers come from? With this data, you'll be able to improve your geographical targeting efforts. The first step is to sign into your Google Analytics 4 account. Click the reports, it's located in the far hand left. Click Reports, located in the far left-hand column. Scroll past Lifecycle under User, open up Demographics, and select Demographic Details. And that's it. Let's talk really quick about what we're seeing in this report. The top two graphs will automatically populate with the metrics you select in the table below. The table is currently set to country, but this is a drop-down once you click the header, and you can choose any demographic details you'd like insights for. The columns are going to be very similar to what you're used to seeing in other GA4 reports. You can sort by users or traffic to the site. Engagement rate is going to be the number of users who interacted with your website divided by all users. Average engagement time is going to be how long your website had focus in their browser or in your user's browser. This is a good indicator for approximately how long someone was engaged with or looking at your webpage. Event count has a drop-down option where you can select a specific event or view all events, as well as conversions has a drop-down where you can select a specific goal. By clicking on the header of that column, it will resort your table, and you'll see that the graphs on the top adjust as well. Thank you for watching Analytics in Minutes. If you found this video helpful, click subscribe and share.